So today we are going to discuss regarding the community health services, that is a part of the management, that is unit number 3rd. And what are the community health services? So introduction, that is a community health nursing is a nursing service organized by a community to carry out the nursing aspect of the community health program in the home, school, industries or in the health center. So community health nursing का मतलब होता है कि it is a type of nursing service where we are organizing in by the community to carry out the all type of nursing aspect of the services in the community level. It will be in the home, it will be in the school, and it will be in the industries or in the health center. So that is known as community health nursing. It means that we are providing the nursing care in the community as per community health program in the homes, school, industries or in the health centers. So now we are moving on the definition. According to the Blum, community health refers to the health status of the member of the community, to the problem affecting their health and to the totality of the healthcare provided for the community. Whatever health services we are providing to the community, it should affect the health of the people. So the every pupils, they have benefited with the services, health services, and each member of the family, each member of the society will be benefited with the problem and from the with the health care services. So that is known as community health. So community, according to the American Association of the Public Health, community health or public health is defined as it is a type of art or it is a type of science which are maintaining the protecting and improving the health of the people through the organized effect. Now we have to see the community health nursing. So community health nursing, there are nature. Community is responsible for providing all facilities and total care to all people. Then community health encompasses all process of the prevention of the disease, promotion and protection of the health of the all the people. Community health nursing implies making systematic assessment, diagnosis of the health status of the people and their problem, planning and implementing comprehensive healthcare services for the entire community with their active cooperation and participation. That community health nursing implies sound preparation of the community health personnel so that they are knowledgeable and skillful. So that comes in the community health nursing. Community health nursing का मतलब होता है कि community is the responsible part. They are providing all type of the facilities and total care to the all people in the community. So community health encompasses, it is a type of process which may make the prevention of disease, promotion of the health, protection of the health for the people. Then community health nursing, it may implies the making the systematic assessment, by the systematic assessment and by the find out the diagnosis of the people and their problem, and we should go for the planning, we should go for the implementation and for the care healthcare services for the entire community, and it should be with the active participation or active cooperation. Community health nursing implies that sound preparation of the community health personnel so that they are knowledgeable and skillful. What do you mean by the philosophy of the community health nursing? There are some of the philosophy we can see here. Essential dignity and worth of the individual. First is the dignity होना चाहिए, and every individual should be worthy with the worth. Right of the individual for the basic necessities, and what are the requirement of the particular person depends on the basic necessities and should be right. मतलब एक व्यक्ति का right बनता है कि उसकी क्या basic necessities हैं, so that they will have the some of the requirement. Then right of the individual to help in the time of the need and crisis. When there any need or any crisis, the individual should have the right to get the help from other people. Create capacity for the growth within all social being. So within the all social being, so they should have the particular, for the growth, they should have the proper capacity, great capacity. Position by the individual for the potentialities and resources for managing their own lives. The need for the individual to struggle and strive to improve their life and environment. Then importance of the freedom to the express one individuality. So these are the some of the philosophy of the community health nursing. Now we have to move on the principles of the community health nursing. So effective healthcare worker, irrespective of the position or place of the work, function as a team. So this is one of the first principle of the community health nursing. So every health worker should be effective and it should depends on the position or place of the work and function as a team member. Then community nurse should be qualified person by recognized school or college. Community health nurse जो है वो qualified person होता है जो particular किसी भी स्कूल या कॉलेज से recognize होती है. Then health services should be based on the fact and need of the individual and family and community. Health services should make the available to the all people respective of their stage, sex and status. Community health nurses are accountable, responsible, authorized health authority for her services. Health services should be realistic in terms of available personnel and facility. Professional relationship and etiquettes are essential in the community health services. Community health nurse must be non-political and non-secretarial in health. Her relation with the people, evaluation and follow-up services is an important part in the community health program. Facilities for the further training and continuing education program provided by the health authority. Then we have to next is a principal. Community health nurse should be organized a periodical in-service education program. She should conduct various type of the in-service education program in the organization. So community health nurse should be organized and lead a team effectively and efficiently to provide the best services to the community. The family and community are the units of the work. There should be adequate and accurate baseline data of the community is the essential. Family and community are become a part of work of unity. Then there should be adequate and should be accurate baseline data for the community is the essential part. Supervision and guidance are needed to help the worker to produce a high quality of work. Supervision is very important part and guidance is very important part needed for the people and for the worker so they can produce the high quality of work in the organization. Record and reports should be maintained in the community area or community health according to the health services. The community health nurse should prepare, update, record and report sent to their higher level of promptly. The public health nurse must never accept gift or bribes. Means उसके against में जो भी care दे रहा है, so she should not get the any particular gift or any bribes from any person in the community on behalf of health services. Professional interest should be developed and maintained, and job conditions should be conducted to optimum satisfaction. What are the goal of the community health nursing? So goal of the community health nursing is to increase the capacity of the families, group and communities to cope up with the health and illness of the and problem. Then first goal क्या है आपका? कैपेसिटी ऑफ दी फैमिली, जो फैमिली की जो कैपेसिटी है उसको इंक्रीज करना, ग्रुप की कैपेसिटीज को इंक्रीज करना, कम्युनिटीज़ की कैपेसिटीज को इंक्रीज करना, सो दैट दे कैन कोप अप विद द प्रॉब्लम एंड कोप अप विद द इलनेस.